The question is, evaluate the integration of this function 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 with respect to x. Now to solve this question, first of all, I see that the given function is in the form of a linear expression, and in numerator and in denominator the function is in the form of a linear factor. So the best possible method to solve this question is to resolve this fraction into its partial fraction. So firstly, we shall resolve the fraction into its partial fraction. So the partial fraction of the given fraction can be written as a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. After this, I am going to take the LCM. So I am going to obtain this as equal to a into x minus 2 into x minus 3, b into x minus 1 into x minus 3, c into x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. The denominators, both sides being equal, cancel out. So I get this expression 3x minus 1 is equal to a times x minus 2 into x minus 3, and so on. This equation I mark as equation number 1. Okay. As a rule, what we are going to do, we are going to place x minus 1 is equal to 0 to obtain x is equal to 1. Placing x is equal to 1 in an equation number 1, I am going to get the value of a. Similarly, placing x is equal to 2 in equation number 1 would give me b, and x is equal to 3 in equation number 1 will give me the value of c. Okay, so placing x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 in equation number 1, we get 3 into 1 minus 1, that is placing x is equal to 1. Here I am going to get 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 3, 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 3, 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 2. So you can see here that 1 minus 1 would be 0, will make this whole term as equal to 0. Similarly, this is going to also become 0. 1 minus 1 would make this 0. So I'm going to get this as equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. This is going to become 2a or plus b into 0 plus c into 0. Okay, so this gives me 2a is equal to 2 or a is equal to 1. Right? Now, to solve for the value of b, placing x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2 in equation number 1. So this would give me 3 into 2 minus 1 plus a into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 3. So this time this expression is going to become 0. Placing x is equal to 2, this is going to become 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3. This is going to become 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So this 2 minus 2 is going to make this term as equal to 0. Okay, so this will be 5 is equal to a into 0 minus b plus c. You can see here 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, so I'm going to get here minus b. So this gives me b is equal to minus 5. Similarly, placing x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3 in equation number 1, we are going to get the value of c. So this will be 3 into 3 minus 1 is equal to a into 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 3. This is going to become 0. b into 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. This is again going to become 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So I'm going to get this as 2c. So minus 8 is, so I'm going to get 8 is equal to a into 0 plus 0 into b, that is 0 plus 2c. Okay, so 2c is equal to 8 or c is equal to 4. Okay, so we had to resolve this fraction into the partial fraction, so we have calculated the value of a, b and c. Therefore, we can write the given integral as equal to the integration of 1 upon x minus 1 with respect to x, placing a is equal to 1. This will be minus 5 upon x minus 2 dx placing b is equal to minus 5, and this will be equal to 4 upon x minus 3, placing c is equal to 4. On integrate, now we have to integrate these three terms. So we know that integration of 1 upon ax plus b, that is 1 upon the integration of a linear expression, is equal to 1 upon a log of ax plus b plus c. That is, the integration of 1 upon linear expression is equal to log of that linear expression and divided by the coefficient of x. Okay, so applying this formula, I'm going to get this as log of x minus 1 minus 5 times log of x minus 2 plus 4 times log of x minus 3. So this is my required answer. Thank you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, by liking this video and giving your comment for the video.